So if you want to install things with a package manager, usually, well, command line package manager, well, you need to like type in what you want to install, right? And maybe you have like a completion, right? So you can tap complete, but it's still kind of, you know, it's a bad user experience, in my opinion. Well, it's good because you can easily use it in scripts, but you know, I think you want a way to like search for things without needing to open the AUR in a browser or something, right? And so in the AUR there is this ParuZ. Well, not exactly the package, but there's this comment, and this will basically be our search, sort of. So it's gonna combine ParuSL, which ParuSL will list all the packages you can install with Paru, and then it will pipe that into set. It will just, it will filter out all the unneeded things, and then it will pipe that into FZF, and then with FZF we can do our search, and then after the FZF it's gonna use the things we have selected with FZF, and it will install it with Paru. You don't really need Xarcs here, but if we try this, we can search something. It's much better, right? But as you can see, it's still takes quite a while, because every time we invoke the command or the alias, it's gonna do a ParuSL, and the ParuSL will probably, since it's like an AUR helper, so it's probably fetching the data from the AUR or something, from the website, which means every time we use a command, we are going to need to wait until we fetch all the data from the web. And depending on your internet connection, it's not gonna be fast. So what you can actually do, again, as with my previous video, you can just cache the ParuSL in a temporary folder. And so you can do that every startup. So for example, I can put this in my Exynet RC, and every startup it will do ParuSL, and every time you want to search for a package, you can just I guess you don't I guess grep, right? There are many ways to do this, but I grep out the installed, because it also includes the installed packages. But and then I will do cut. I don't care about the version number or something, but you can do something else. But do this, and then do an FZF, right? And then we'll just do our Paru S to install, right? And then yeah, it works. So if I do a PRS, it's very fast. Well, it's pretty much instant, right? Instead of this, where we need to wait for our network to fetch the data from the website. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful.